Hunger shall never end, my country people. Not be small thing, the matter when they our table today, my country people. This one, I make like idodomido, my country people. Before I will go straight to the point of this matter, my first greet on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If I'm a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe, free and turn on the notification bell times. Okay, my country people, the matter when they our table today now concerning Apostlpe Kassy Chukwu. And I know say 3 weeks ago now, another video of him come out again. Wait for the with one girl. They can't they enjoy their self, they can't they flares, they enjoy their self. People can't come out when they talk say as a man of God, see what man of God they do. See what they do, what he go can't teach member again. See what they do, say, even they inside Bible, he can't come out, can't talk, say, na him be that person when they say, may they forgive him, or say they use the thing, they set him up. Okay, he can apologize to the public and the Daddy Jesus. He can apologize. Okay, for this one, when still come out again now. This one I met like idodomido. I know say for this life, nobody will never sin. If you know say you never sin, may you first cast the stone. I know say some people will come to say me are the supporter. I'm not the supporter. For me, when they are so, I don't know whether me I be sent, I don't know, and I understand. But for this one, I not support her. As a man of God, wait till they use man till they talk. It's not really good at all. My people, they talk when they talk for inside my country people. Not be waiting to hear, they hear. Not be too waiting to hear, they hear. About where cassava and the contours, how the cassava, how the cassava, not they stand, that they touch everywhere, they use matter, touch, made the cassava for, for stand, the talk, it get as be even me, I weak for this conversation. So, my country people, not be smart, honestly. This man of God, they talk truth for one side, but this one, so when this thing they come at, I not can understand what it can really they happen. I don't feel judge them like that. Men are listening to this conversation before I will start. Men are listening.
If you don't get they argue. If they argue, say not going X for me.
Maybe they get to fire and it's not used to that kind of fire. But you know that some girls they be.
He come connect one girl, give me. You get tell her for the press, see, meet your friend to teach you how to.
That means you are a fuck. Real one. I have stamina. Pieces. No. Maybe they get to fire and it's not used to that kind of fire. But you know that some girls they be.
He come connect one girl, give me. You get tell her for the press, see, meet your friend to teach you how to.
That means you are a fuck. Real one. I have stamina. Pieces. No.
Who is this Epa?
If you don't get they argue. If they argue.
Who is Apostlpe Kassy talking about?
Maureen posted a pistol and said that the pistol is Apostle Suleman. The moment I saw it, I said, if I get pistol,
If he come connect one girl, give me. You get tell her for the press, see, meet your friend to teach you how to fall.
Who is a spiritual father?
I just want to reach my father, Apostle Johnson Suleman.
My country people, sure, madam, hear this conversation. This one, I'm totally, I don't know what I want to talk. I weak, I make like idodomido. I know say, I know if you judge him, I not be God when go judge him for this life, judge no one. But this kind talk, it not really makes sense. I cut the video because the talk is too much. As the cassava tell weak, the cassava not green stand, the cassava do like this, they touch different where they touch women body on understand. They touch the man, even the nipple, different parts, the conversation, the thing, I weak, I met like idodomido. As a man of God, Apostlpe Kassy, I know say you go watch this video. If you watch this video, I beg, know how you go take the talk, they communicate with people. Stay away from girls, stay away from women. Stay away from women. If you never marry, now so the thing will continue. Stay away from women because you know the staff that you are carrying. You know staff when you go. Say you are a man of God, you are an apostle. I not can understand what it can happen. Not be say I they judge you. I know they judge you. I know the kind of friends when you they mingle with, person when you with and they talk online, they communicate with. This type of a thing, it not really makes sense at all. I know if you mention the EPA, when they say EPA, this one EPA, he come, he can arrange in S mate, and when they use that they, that they remember, but he can arrange and give EPA, and also on listening to the conversation, say EPA self, say the girl hammer and say the girl they do the thing well, the girl they, they prove well, the girl not they, the girl not they, they door, not be Jew girl. Wetin can they happen? Wetin can they happen as a man of God? Wetin can they really happen? This one I don't support you at all. No, they talk this kind of a thing as a man of God. I not say I not the judge because I not be God when go they judge. I not the judge, but stay away from women. Stay away from women. Remove eye for waiting they back. That's when they back, it they put men for temptation. Honestly, the way when you take the watch and the zoom out, that kind of thing, they hinder person. I'm not gonna understand. As a man of God, focus. If you never marry, because I don't know your story, whether you don't marry. If you never marry, stay away from women. Even if you say you don't marry, stay away from single women. In fact, women, stay away from them. Women they tempt well. I beg, now they beg you as a man of God. This one, I weak. Since when I hear this one present, say, see what the man of God do. This thing not really makes sense. It not sound for ear at all. Okay, my country people, now I want for leave on a sorry say I never upload since 4 days ago. Now I did busy. My country people, now make and thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me on this platform. May God bless you. And if you are new to this channel, you are across this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thanks. And those of you when they support me, may God bless you abundantly. All of you guys, may God bless you guys in Jesus' name. Ciao, ciao.